Hello everybody, welcome back to another YouTube video from Best RV Center. I am Nal Amari from Best RV in Turla, California. I am inside the beautiful 2026 Forest River Rogue 25L141. Oh, what's mean 25L141? 25 feet, 14.1 cargo area. So it's a 14.1 from this side all the way to the back. And it's an 8.5 wide body toy hauler, which that mean is your 4-seaters, no issue, because you could see the shallow cabinet over here. So I'm getting 81 inches width. So when I get my 4-seaters, no problem from the width of my toys. Now, this unit, they give you everything as Rogue before. King size bedroom. That's a very important 25-foot king size bedroom slide with the 4K projections, huge closets, all that information. And we're going to go show you right now. But the major thing we're going to show you on the Rogue 25 is the kitchen cabinet and all the cabinet is from there all the way to the ceiling. So it's giving you more storage. And I love the black colors of these mirrors because it makes the cabinet rich. As well, you have 30-inch microwave. And look how big the cabinet. 10.7 cubic foot refrigerators. Again, no worries. We already have the 200-watt roof solar panel, 12-volt refrigerator. Solid service countertop. This is not a Formica. Solid service with a country sink, deep cycle faucet. Plenty room around the right side of the sink, left side of the sink. Nice 3-burner range oven with a glass backsplash and a good sized oven. And then these cabinets, voila, they open this way. And then you have a subwoofer, come with the unit driven sub, so you can plug it in anywhere you want. All these doors open, I love them. And the reason why they do no handle in it, in case if you get your 4-seaters all the way. It come with a big TV and a sound bar. It's a Bluetooth sound bar as well as a fireplace. And they give you additional bracket if you want to put the TV outside. It already has the TST monitoring for the tires, the road tech. Come with it, touchscreen, color display, and all the stuff. So you can see the whatever is going on your tires. Now, they give you a backup camera hookup in your garage because again, some customers has a 4-seater costs more than this toy haulers. So, and they want to see it while they're driving. So they give you the backup camera prep on to the garage. As well, you have a 3-speed fantastic fan over the kitchen. So in case if you're cooking with the remote control, I could access that fantastic fan, open, close, and do whatever I want. And that gives you the first circulation. Tie down straight to the frame. As well, you have a nice bench here with a big table, inside, outside. And again, this is normal toy hauler benches where they turn around and become a big size bed, sleep 2 people on it. You have a nice bed, which is, if you notice, it's very easy to use. All you do is just push. Let me make sure this is not on the track. Let me take it off the track, that pen. And then all you do, I'm short guy, you push on it. And then you go in the front. You just get in the middle, you push on it. Voila. You have a nice, beautiful, queen-size bed. I love the LED, USB plug, contemporary modern LED light in the ceiling, 2 in the top, 2 at the bottom. And then you have a nice king-size bed with a lounge and a 4K projection. People laugh to me. 25-foot toy hauler with a projection. Yes, it does. You should see the shower at least. And then you push it backward and voila. From the outside, they give you a really nice 3-season door. We talk about this one in many units. And if you come over here, you have 2 LED floodlights, a backup camera prep, 3-season door, and a patio system. And look how beautiful this unit by me looking at it right now. Wow, nice coloring, big windows, nice zebra shades, 2 windows by the bunk area. It's amazing. Let's go to the nice king size bedroom. going through here, we're gonna go through this hall. Wow, what an impressive. People, they don't believe me. It is a nice king-size bed with a 4K projector. Show them the big screen for that projector. Show them the projector. This unit has 2 AC, one in the bedroom, one in the living room. I mean, it's a heaven. And then ladies, they could bring this, I mean, their headboard come in the middle. Let me show them. 1, 2, 3. So the guys lay down here, the girl, nice cup of wine, glass of wine, watch a movie, or just both of them, they cuddle, and they have a cup holder on the right and the left. And in the morning when they wake up, they want a nice view. Now you're looking at it, you have a beautiful windows open. Look how bright it is. Again, I'm sorry you're seeing RVs. Imagine you're in the Pismo and you see a nice beautiful oceans, or in the forest, or in the dunes, Oregon dunes. Nice, plenty counter space. You could put things, a lot of doors, a lot of cabinets, hanging clothes right here. And then they have a nice bench here. You could sit and use it as a dressing room. This bed rise, and again, big storage for your pillows and blanket sheets. Nice counter space. Also, this 25 has king size bedroom, slide, outdoor kitchen, and your outdoor kitchen is located right here from outside, and we're gonna show it to you when we go outside. Now we're inside. Wow, look how beautiful. A spa shower system with the glass shower doors, stainless steel sink, nice medicine cabinet, porcelain toilet, fantastic fan in the bathroom. I mean, again, that's the reason why I like the Rogue. They give you exact same amenities as their high-end fifth wheel. They put it on a 25-foot. They don't cut corners. And then you have really, let me think. Yes, voila, I like that. It's a clean mechanism. 4 head, 1, 2, 3, 4, with a nice skylight and fantastic. No water go outside. And you just look. Listen how smooth it is. Now, Jack and Joe bath. So you have a door from here. And then we're going to go outside, talk about the outside. Follow me, please. $25. It comes with a lot of stuff on this unit. As you see, beautiful Rogue armored. They have the nice window. Now this unit, they asked me a lot of questions. Why you don't bring it with the generator? We brought it with the generator prep. Why? And if you decide you want generator, it's taking me second. I put the generator. All I do, I just put it in, put the hole. This is your fuel tank. This is your generator harness. And I could put any generator here. Now we noticed people recently, a lot of customers in California, they say, guess what? I have my own generators. I don't want to pay more, $5,000 more in the price or $4,000 more in the price just because the generators. So that's the reason why we order this unit with a no generator, but it's already prepped for generators. And we could do it anytime you want it. Now, going over here, have the same amenities as the big Rogue, outside grill with the ice maker. And then you have a nice fridge. So this is number 2. Here's the 200-watt solar panel with 30-amp controller, as you see. Inverter. Come with inverter prep. And a nice power awning with LED light. Laminated side wall constructions. It has a 12 heat pad on all the tank. All the jack on this unit is power. So power tank jack, power stabilizer jack. Is the best new model in 25, by the way. You have a RAM patio system with a latch for your dogs. This is for the jack, 2 in the front, 2 in the back. I love the look. I love the coloring, the size, the amenities they offers. Here's your fuel stations, and it's a 30-gallon fuel station. That tank will feed the generator as well your toys. This is where you fill the tank. Tankless on-demand water heater, Suburban. And here's your docking station where you hook up your water cable. And then here's the outlet, the sewers, as well the black tank and the sewage. This is storage compartments. It's underneath the king size bed. Beautiful. This is part of the grill. And it's already prepped for actually 4 cameras. One in the back, one on the right, one on the left, and one in the garage. Armor 25L141. We got your price. Shop, shop, shop. No one come close to our prices and no any hidden fees. Come to Best RV and grab this toy hauler. Put your 4-seaters and let's go to the Pismo.